Remember when avocados were just for guacamole? Those days are long gone. Avocados have taken the world by storm, celebrated for their creamy texture and healthy fats. But hold on, there's more to this green goodness than meets the eye. Enter avocado oil, the unsung hero of the avocado family, ready to revolutionize your cooking. Extracted from the fleshy fruit of the avocado, this oil is liquid gold for your kitchen. It's quickly gaining popularity as people discover its versatility and health benefits. Unlike some oils that sit on the shelf gathering dust, avocado oil is your new go-to for just about anything. So, what's all the fuss about? Get ready to toss out your preconceived notions about cooking oils. Avocado oil is here to stay, and your taste buds will thank you for it. Let's dive into the wonderful world of avocado oil and see how it can elevate your culinary game. One of the biggest reasons avocado oil is so popular, it's packed with good-for-you fats. We're talking about monounsaturated fats, the kind that help your heart stay healthy. These fats can lower bad cholesterol levels, which is a big win for your overall well-being. But it doesn't stop there. Avocado oil is also a good source of vitamin E. This powerful antioxidant is like a superhero for your cells, protecting them from damage. And who doesn't want to fight off those pesky free radicals? Think of avocado oil as a delicious way to nourish your body from the inside out. It's like sunshine in a bottle, bringing a dose of healthy fats and vitamins to every dish you create. So go ahead, drizzle generously, and enjoy the benefits. Avocado oil isn't a one-trick pony. It's a culinary chameleon that can handle anything you throw at it. From high-heat cooking to delicate dressings, avocado oil shines in every application. Got a hankering for crispy roasted veggies? Avocado oil's high smoke point, the temperature at which it starts to break down, makes it perfect for roasting and sautéing. Your veggies will come out perfectly browned and full of flavor. But wait, there's more. Avocado oil's mild, buttery flavor won't overpower delicate ingredients. Use it to make your own salad dressings. Drizzle it over pasta, or even use it in baking. Section 4. From stovetop to oven. Delicious dishes with avocado oil. Ready to get cooking? Let's explore some delicious ways to use avocado oil in your kitchen. For a simple and satisfying breakfast, try eggs cooked in avocado oil. The oil's high smoke point prevents sticking, and the buttery flavor adds a touch of richness. Top with fresh herbs and a sprinkle of sea salt for a restaurant-worthy meal. Looking for a healthy and flavorful lunch? Toss some quinoa with roasted vegetables like sweet potatoes, Brussels sprouts, and red onions. Drizzle generously with avocado oil, season with your favorite spices, and roast until tender. Avocado oil is also a fantastic base for marinades. Its mild flavor won't overpower delicate proteins like fish or chicken. Combine avocado oil with citrus juice, herbs, and spices for a flavorful marinade that will leave your taste buds singing. Section 5. Fun with fats. Intriguing tidbits about your new favorite oil. Did you know that avocado oil is actually a fruit oil, just like olive oil? It's made from pressing the pulp of avocados and it retains many of the fruit's nutrients and antioxidants. Here's another fun fact. Avocado oil is incredibly shelf-stable. Unlike some oils that can go rancid quickly, avocado oil has a long shelf life, so you can stock up without worry. And here's a bonus tip. Did you know you can even use avocado oil on your skin and hair? It's a natural moisturizer that can help soothe dryness and promote a healthy glow. Section 6. Embrace the avocado. Elevate your cooking today. Avocado oil is more than just a cooking fad. It's a kitchen staple that will transform the way you cook and eat. With its impressive health benefits, versatility, and delicious flavor, avocado oil deserves a spot on your countertop. So, embrace the avocado and all its glory. Experiment with different recipes, discover new favorites, and enjoy the delicious and nutritious benefits of this culinary gem. Your body and your taste buds will thank you for it.